Hello beautiful people out there, and welcome back to my channel. This is FF Nails from Saman, and today we are here for some new designs on Mother's Day. First of all, I want to wish every mother a very happy Mother's Day. We are here because of them, so definitely they deserve everything what we can do for them. There's a slight change in my channel today because I just wanted to tell you that channel videos will be keep coming up. Only I have converted the language in English because lots of my friends over here in New Zealand, they are complaining that they are not able to understand Hindi language, whatever I'm saying. So they are not quite comfortable to understand the art and understand my language, and they are saying English is everybody knows English, so why don't you go for English? I thought, okay, fine, this is the art and everybody deserves to learn it, so let's do it in English. I hope, because I know back in India everyone, not everyone, but most of the people knows English, and at least they understand, so we can I think we'll be able to reach out to everyone. So from today, my other channel, which is mostly on the family based channel, that will be remain in Hindi, but the snail channel will be going to be whole thing in English. Just the designs and everything will be like same as earlier, but the language will be in English, and I will be talking to you in English. Hope you will cope with me and support me. So please like the channel, share the channel, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to spread the love. Happy Mother's Day. Let's go and get started. So today I'm doing the art on the swatch stick again. As you can see, it's already done, and last time I have done the spider web nails, so it's already in the channel. The video is available there, so if you want to check it out, just go and click on the link, which is just reflecting somewhere on the corner of the television or laptop or mobile phone, so you can check it out. So and also I made 2 more designs. If you're interested, just comment below so I can tell you how to make it. It's so easy and pretty designs. This is the golden French, and this is watercolor paint. So let's get started with today's design, and I'm gonna color my swastika with this orangish color, which I love. So base color is already on there. I'm putting this orangish color on the nail. If it's highly pigmented, go for 1 coat. If it's not, then go for 2 coats. Alright, so it's all done, and I'm putting in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. If you have UV lamp, just put for 120 seconds. That's the difference only. Here you go. So here I'm back with my orange color gel nail polish. It's done over here. Today I'm going to make a leopard design for you. So I'm going to use this dotting tool, and then I'm using the purplish color on this, like sort of random dots, not circle, but just random dots. And again, I'm gonna put this one in the LED lamp for 30 seconds, and meanwhile I have also painted my another swatch stick as a black color, so that I quickly can show you the front style, which was the golden front style, which looks very elegant. So parallelly I'm gonna show you on this black one, meanwhile that is getting cured in the LED lamp. I'll put some mirror powder. This is the mirror powder over here, the one. And I took in this brush, and I'm rubbing on the tip of the nail to make this design, which is a super easy design, super easy. You don't have to measure anything, just put it randomly in like this, and then you go with the brush, the detailed brush, take the black paint over here, and now make a circle, a smile line the way you wanted it. That one is a bit small, which I made over here. I'm making a bit broader here, so this is a bit broader. So here you go. Here it is. And now I'm trying to put the color near to the smile line. It's completely up to you that what sort of smile line you want to make. And once we are here, I'll keep the brush back, and then I use this normal brush of the polish, and I'll paint it like a normal polish. Look at this. How good is this? It's very elegant and beautiful French design. I'm putting again this one in a little lamp for 30 seconds. So meanwhile, I'm back with this color, which is already cured. So this is the time to put the surroundings of it and cover it with the black color, like this, in this. Like this. Still you can see some gaps in the middle, so just put the black random dots over there to fill it up, because they have some plain black dots on their body too, so you need to equally make some, not the perfect one, just the random dots, just to fill it up and look nicer. You can see here, these are just the random dots. It's like this, and I'll pop in the lamp again for 30 seconds. And meanwhile, this one is ready. Look at that. Finally, I'll put the top coat on this one. And again, after putting the top coat, I'll pop in the lamp for 30 seconds to final cure. There you go. I put light glitter on the black color as well to match the whole style, and I'll pop in the lamp for 30 seconds. So the leopard art turned out like this, and now finally we're gonna put some top coat on it to seal it. Especially don't forget to seal the corners. Very, very important, otherwise it won't be that much secured the way normally gel polishes are. All done. And that's the final one, and I'm popping in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. So these are the two quick, easy designs which looks very elegant turned out, and it looks so pretty. I can show you on my nails. If you see here, this looks something like that, and this one looks something like that. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, I can't tell you. So just I would say you just try out at your home, and it's so easy, super easy. You can do it with any color. You don't need the gel polish, just you use the simple polish as well. It's whatever available at your home, you can do it, do this design with that one. It's not that you have to look for the gel polish. So that's it for today. And if you like the video, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, as I said earlier before opening the video too. So subscribe it, hit the bell icon, and spread your love with me, with whole world. And happy Mother's Day once again to all the mothers. Bye.